Good afternoon. I didn't think I was going to take a video today, but I've come to the top of this mountain where the horses are. It was quite a long walk up because it was quite steep, and I got to the top and the view is absolutely stunning. And I hope you can see in the background the snow is still on the mountains around Hakodate, so you can see it's still quite cold at the top, but today is a beautiful sunny day. As you can see, I'm very hot. The wind's a bit chilly, but again, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'll just take this video, make this just the one today with the number of photographs. But I just wanted to show this stupendous view. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Okay, onwards. Well, I made it to the top of the mountain and you can see I'm very hot. Oh, it's a hard climb, but I got at the top. There's one horse. Where they've all gone? That's another time I've come up and all the horses not here, just one. Oh well. Still, it was worth it. The view is, as I keep repeating myself, terrific. There's plenty of this stuff, which means there are horses around here somewhere.